Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azerozili and na me be your ogbonge pidgin lawyer. Today, even though we never dey talk about marriage, because I say I go talk about marriage when we reach 15k followers, but I don move am to 20k followers. When we reach 20,000 followers on Facebook, we go talk about marriage. But before that time, make I chook small mouth. Now, some people dey say if man promise to marry you, he no come gree marry you, wetin go happen? Wetin I wan tell una be say breach of promise to marry e dey actionable. So if man promise to marry you or woman promise to marry you, he no come gree marry you again, you go fit sue that man, you go fit sue that woman. Wey be say no be your fault o, no be say person promise to marry you, then every time e dey abuse the person. Wey be say no be your fault, the person just stay. Maybe after the person don waste your time finish for years, the person don chop your money finish, the person go come say he no go marry you again. You go fit sue the person. You go fit sue the person and court go award damages against that person. Because we don see situations whereby man go train woman finish for school. Once the woman don finish school, especially if the man no go school, you go come see say the man no be in size again, the man no be in class again. He go leave the man go marry in class. You go fit sue the person. Now the problem wey we dey get for this kind breach of promise to marry be say, how we wan take know say true true the person promise say he go marry you? Say you and person dey date no mean say the person promise to marry you. So how we go take know say the person promise to marry you? One, if you and man wan enter into a relationship wey him talk say him go marry you, try get evidence, make una write am down, put am for paper. Some people dey feel say if dem talk am, dem go feel say dem dey desperate. No be desperation now. If man promise to marry you, make una write am down, put am for paper, make him write am, you sign, make him sign say him promise to marry you. Another way again, e get things wey man go do, e go know say e get things wey man go dey do. Court go from those things wey him dey do come deduce say, why dey use grammar, come see am say him bin wan marry you. This thing dey happen to both man and woman. So breach of promise to marry no be crime o, no be crime, na civil wrong. You go fit sue the person. Oyibo say e dey actionable. Thank you. Now you don know. If you know say you no wan marry person, no open this your mouth tell person say I go marry you. If you dey date person clean. If you lead to marriage, una marry. If you no lead to marriage, everybody waka. No open this your mouth tell person say you go marry am, tomorrow you come abandon am for road. The person fit sue you. Thank you. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share. No watch our video come dey keep am to yourself. Thank you. God bless you.